So, you've clicked on this video for a reason. And that reason is, you want to learn how to use Discord Bot Maker to make your own Discord bot. And that's what I'm going to show you. Let's get into it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the latest updated version of Discord Bot Maker, because that is the one we're going to be working with today. Make sure that you have all the mods and stuff that I have provided for you in the Google Drive link in the description. If you go to that Google Drive link, it will take you to this website right here, and you want to click download. Now, depending on what you use, you can use whatever. I'm gonna click download. Now once this downloads, it says everything that you're gonna need to be able to do what we're gonna do. But real quick, I want you to go ahead and install this. It doesn't take long. It's not a big file. Inside of here as Discord Bot Maker tutorial. Now I know that folder is spelt wrong, but you want to go in here and there's a links.txt. I want you to open that links.txt. Now it'll open in whatever you're using in it, to open up your text documents, and there's a link right here that will take you to node.js, which is this website. Whenever you get onto this website, you're going to want to install the recommended version. Now the reason why, I'm going to explain now. The reason why I'm asking you to install this before we start creating the bot is because there's a different way that we're going to run the bot. It's more secure, and if you have mods, if you run it through Discord Bot Maker, it could break Discord Bot Maker. So this is going to allow you to run the Discord bot on your PC or whatever file you move this documentation to, whatever computer you move this documentation to. Sorry, I can't speak. So once you've done that, we're going to need to install what's called PM2. PM2 is a process manager that will help you manage and keep your application online, if it's Discord bot or if it's whatever. Now, you don't really need to go to this website to be able to know how to install it. I'm going to run through real quick of how to install it. So you want to open up command prompt and you want to run it as an administrator. It's very important. Once you run it as administrator, you want to type in npm install pm2 at latest-g. Once you type in that, you want to press enter. It will install everything you need for PM2. Now I've already got it on my computer, so I'm not going to press enter because I've already got it installed. I don't want to overwrite what I have. So once you have that installed and you drag this folder, this live bot, I'll tell you what this folder is for, but once you drag this folder to your desktop, which I'm going to go ahead and do that now, it's going to take a little bit of time because of what is in this folder. There's about 20,000 things that's in this folder. It's basically the same Discord bot that you're going to make, but this is the live version of what you're going to make. I'll explain what this is once it's transferred over. So while it's doing that, let's go ahead and load up Discord Bot Maker. And then also you want to click in the second link in the description, and you're going to want to go to Discord Developer /applications. So we're going to create a new application. In this case, we're going to name it tutorial. Now once you create this, you can set a description, add image, whatever you want to do. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to keep this application. But once you've done that, you want to go to bot, add bot, yes to it. Now this is the name of your bot. You can change the name or whatever you want to do. Now before we start working on our bot, we want to make sure that we have it in one of our discords so we can see whenever we make the bot online if it actually goes online. So you want to go to 0auth2. You want to check this box that says bot, and you want to give it administrator perms depending on what you want your bot to do. If you want it to be a simple games bot or your simple moderation bot, you're going to need certain perms for that. I'll click copy, paste this into another tab and whatever you're using to search the web. I might add it to my bot testing Discord. Authorize. I am not a bot. There we go. Now if I go to my bot testing Discord, you'll see a tutorial is in here. Mr. Mamu is one of my next projects. So once you've done that, you want to go to Discord Bot Maker. You want to create new bot project. Now you can change the location, but in my case, I'm gonna keep it on the desktop. So we're gonna name it tutorial, because this is a tutorial for me, and blank project. There's no sense of making one with a template, because anything that you guys want to learn, all you gotta do is just join my Discord, suggest something that you want me to make a video about, and I'll make a video about it. And my Discord will be in the description below as well. So let's let that build. We're gonna go to settings. Now the tab that we still have open for Discord developer portal, you want to fill that out. So it's going to ask for the bot token. We're going to copy the bot token. Now depending on what version of Discord Bot Maker you have, it will automatically fill out the client ID, as you can see here. Now bot owner ID, well, if you're new to this, you're not going to know what it is. It is your Discord ID, and I want to show you how to get your Discord ID. So you want to open up your Discord. Now you want to make sure in the settings and appearance, make sure that you have developer mode turned on. Now whenever you have that turned on, you can right click yourself, copy ID, and paste it. Now you don't need to worry about other people copying your ID, because I'm not worried about you seeing my ID, because I can do it to anybody. I can grab anybody's ID or whatever. That's what the developer mode is for. You can't really do anything with other people's IDs. You can just give them permissions for different things. So now we have that saved. We have that put in there. We want to save it. So Control S will save your work that you've done. Now we're going to go back to the live folder that I was discussing beforehand that we have on our desktop. And we also have our project. Now we're going to rename this livebot copy. You always want to make a copy of this first before you rename it. So in my case, I already got a copy of it on my computer somewhere. So I'm just going to rename this to tutorial live in all caps. That way we can keep up which version is the workstation version or which version is the live version. So now we're going to go inside the live folder, and we want to rename the rename.js. This is how we're going to run our bot. So if you rename this to whatever your bot is, like abbreviation, I'm just going to put mine as TUT, short for tutorial. And once you've done that, you want to open your workstation version and drag it to the side. Now, how you ask, well, this is one bot and this is a different bot. Very simple. Whenever you want to update your live version, you only want to touch the data folders. And there's only going to be one time where you're going to move your settings folder unless you change your bot token. So I'm going to copy my settings.json, Control V over here, and replace. Once I've done that, now this folder is completely up to date with this folder. But this folder doesn't have a proxy.js, which is what we renamed as tut.js. But in y'all's case, it'll be renamed because I named it that way whenever I uploaded it. So now we need to run our bot and make sure it's running. So you want to type in cmd, run as administrator, click yes. Now we want to access our folder of our live bot, not our workstation, but our live bot. And this is how we're going to do it. You want to type in cd, that's going to remote into that folder, but you need to get the folder path. So you're going to click in this empty space. It'll automatically highlight the folder's path. You want to Control C, go over here and right click, and it will automatically put it in there. You just press enter. Now you're in the directory of your live bot. So this is how we're going to start it. Now, this is going based off of you've already installed PM2, which I showed earlier. So PM2 start, and then the name of, we don't want to use bot.js, we want to use what we renamed, so tut.js. And it's going to open up this little window here, this chart, and this is my other bot. And ID of one, tut, which is the name of our JS, and it says it's online. Now, if you look in your Discord, your bot will be online. And that is how to get your bot online using Discord Bot Maker. If you want to see how to create a simple help command, I will be making a tutorial about that right after this video. So by the time this video gets up and you finish watching it, I'll have that tutorial already up. Yeah, so if you want to run this on a different computer, it's very simple. All you gotta do is install PM2 and Node.js on the computer that you want to run it on, and then drag this folder or move this folder to that computer. Now, every time you work on your workstation bot, say you made a command of a simple help command, right? The only things that you'll ever move from the workstation data folder is your commands and events. That's the only thing you'll ever move, unless you change your token.js, your token and your Discord bot maker. Then you'll move your settings. So say I made a simple help command, I'll only move the commands over and I'll replace it. Then my work that I've done over here that I know works is now over here. Or you can keep the live version that you have running on whatever PC and make another copy that is a backup of that live version on your computer, and then make another copy that is going to be your testing 2, and you'll have a different token in there to be able to test your commands before you put it on your live version of the bot, depending if your live version of the bot is in other people's Discords. But that's a little bit complicated. We'll get to that in a later date. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to keep up with different things and with Discord Bot Maker, I also make different content. I make montages, and I'm going to be releasing some series soon of doing Minecraft, 5M, all these kind of games, anything you guys suggest. So if you want to keep up with my content, I'm going to be live streaming on Twitch here soon. If you want to keep up with all of that, make sure you join my Discord. That will be in the top link in the description, as well as while you're in there, you can drop by in the suggestions and let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future, any kind of tutorials. Like I said, I'm going to be doing some tutorials for Discord Bot Maker, so I'm pretty sure anything that you have in mind, I might have in mind to make in the future. But I'll do it amongst popular requests. Leave a comment as well. If you don't feel like joining my Discord, that's okay. Leave a comment. I look through comments as well. So thank you for taking your time to watch this simple tutorial, how to get your Discord bot running. And yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.